60 miles per hour with gusts and The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 520, effective until 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, Iroquois, Kankakee, Lake and Will, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lockport, Lake, Newton, Porter, Pulaski and Stark, and the following: Lake Michigan from Sheboygan to Port Washington, Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake; Lake Michigan from Port Washington to North Point Lake, Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake; Lake Michigan from North Point Lake to Wind Point, Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake; Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake; Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois; Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois; Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois; Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana; Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana; Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana; Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake; and Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A severe